With only a few seconds remaining, I won my second trade. Now my balance has increased to $184. Let's find a trade with $184. Let's see how much we can make using the 30-second time frame. It's important to note that this is risky. I don't recommend trading on the 30-second time frame unless you're experienced. On Microsoft again, I found a trade for a downside move, so I'm waiting for the right entry. Okay, I got my entry and I placed in $184 trade for the downside on Microsoft OTC. Again, there was a downtrend and the candles were facing resistance at the moving average, which is why I took the trade for the downside. I also got a good entry. The trade is going well, and with only a few seconds left, I won my third trade. Now my balance is $353. Let's find a trade with $353. I got an entry on Alibaba OTC, so I placed a $353 trade for the downside for 30 seconds. The trade wasn't going in our favor at first, but let's see. The candle reversed, and now the trade is going in our favor. With only a few seconds left, I won my fourth trade, and my balance has increased to $678. Let's find a trade with $678 on the 30-second time frame using the EMA indicator. On ExxonMobil, I found a trade for a downside move, so I placed a $678 trade for the downside on ExxonMobil OTC. As you can see, there was an uptrend initially, but the candles broke the moving average and reversed the trend into a downtrend. The previous green candle also closed near the moving average. At first, the trade wasn't going in our favor, but with just a few seconds left, the candle reversed and the trade went in our favor. I won my fifth trade and my balance has now increased to $1,302. Let's find a trade with $1,302. On Tesla, I found a trade, but the candle had already reversed and turned into a red candle, so I avoided that trade. Let's look for a trade in cryptocurrencies instead. On Polygon OTC, I found a trade for an upward move, so I placed a $1,302 trade for the upside on Polygon OTC. Exactly when I placed the trade, the candle was moving in our favor. As you can see, there was an uptrend, and the candle also provided a good entry near the moving average, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade was going well, and with only a few seconds left, I won my next trade. My balance has now increased to $2,499. Let's find a trade for $2,499. Again, let's look for a trade in cryptocurrencies. On Bitcoin OTC, I found a trade for an upward move, so I placed a $2,499 trade for the upside on Bitcoin OTC. As you can see, there was an uptrend, and the previous red candle closed near the moving average, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade is going in our favor, and you'll see the candle closed as a green candle. With only a few seconds left, I won my next trade, and my balance has now increased to $4,799. So I made a good profit using the 30-second time frame. I'll stop here. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts about the EMA strategy on the 30-second time frame. It works on all time frames, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 30 seconds, but I recommend using this strategy in a trending market, especially when the trend direction is clear above the 30-second time frame. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.